Do you want to learn how to make $100,000 profit per deal? Join me this coming Saturday at the Midlands REIA workshop. It's going to be held at 111 Maiden Lane in Lexington, South Carolina, and it's downstairs in the Elias Mac room. I'm going to be teaching you every aspect of finding hidden market properties. These are homes with no for sale signs, no ads in the paper, nobody even knows they can be bought. I'm going to take you step by step how to do it, and a special feature of this all-day class is I'm going to actually do some live calls to sellers that are in foreclosure. So you don't want to miss this, live actual calls to people in foreclosure, and we'll see you there. The way you get signed up is you go to midlandsrea.com and then click on workshops, and you'll read all about what I'm going to be teaching, and there's a way for you to sign up. It's $20 for members and $60 for non-members, and it's worth every penny. After this class, you'll be able to go out and find some of these deals. Every time I come to Columbia, somebody gets a deal. So I'll see you there.